Today marks what would have been the 51st anniversary of the Supreme Court decision that legalized abortion in the U.S.
Roe versus Wade has been struck down, and this fall, some are fighting to allow voters to determine abortion rights in different states. One state, Arizona. Fox 10's Ellen McNamara is here now with more. Ellen.
And guys, right now signatures continue to be collected to have Arizonans decide abortion rights on the ballot in the fall. Over the weekend, women's marches were held in cities all across the country, including here in Phoenix. Today, on what would have been the 51st anniversary of Roe v. Wade, the Biden administration held a meeting with its task force on reproductive health care access. Some federal agencies have announced different ways now to protect access to reproductive health care. Here in Phoenix, Mayor Kate Gallego and other Democrats held a news conference to talk about women's rights.
For 5 decades, Roe versus Wade stood as an indispensable pillar of liberty in our country. Now, today's young women have fewer rights than they did a generation ago.
It takes a lot of work to convince people that every single human child, every unborn child, has a value that is too profound and precious to ignore.
And that last comment right there was from House Speaker Mike Johnson, who spoke at the March for Life in D.C. It was just held before the weekend, where tens of thousands of anti-abortion supporters met. Those in the crowd saying that life begins at conception. This issue, though, is one that political experts say will inspire people to vote one way or the other in the fall. Ellen McNamara, Fox 10 News.